Dealing Bob Bianchi, your criminal defense attorney. Bob, does any of Jussie Smollett's testimony make any sense to you?
But it's going to all come down to credibility with the two brothers that testified consistently versus Smollett. So Smollett is the name of the game here. And it doesn't make common sense, Todd, at least by my estimation. There are a number of things that contradict the story that these brothers didn't like him. For example, there are text messages that were produced by the prosecution to indicate that Jussie sent them a text saying, let's do something. I want to do something on the low. Can we meet? The brothers were indicating when they met afterwards, it was about staging this attack. The fact that he's saying that they weren't friends and they were out to get him belies the idea that he gave him a $3,500 check and $100, which sounds like a business transaction. Here's the money for the deal. And by the way, here are your expenses. So also they can't account for the idea that he's saying on one hand, he's upset that the studio wouldn't provide him with the proper security or measures after he got that hate mail letter. Yet it's ironic that when the time he's most vulnerable, when he actually leaves the studio, he refuses security. Hey, I've been on the other end of death threats. That's not a thing an ordinary person does. And not only does he refuse security, on a cold polar vortex night, decides to take a walk by himself to get a sandwich, and just so happens, coincidentally, that the two people who he's saying, can we do something down on the low, are the people that are attacking him. Lastly, Todd, when you look at the case, there's an independent witness that was here that indicated that when the two gentlemen, which turns out to be the brothers, were leaving after this incident for which Jussie Smollett received no injuries during the course of this attack, they were laughing, fooling, and kidding around, so he didn't even think it was a serious incident. All these things a good prosecutor is going to say, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, use your common sense. It doesn't make sense that he says they're not friends, and he's paying the money, he's paying them expenses, he doesn't want security, he says he wants a meeting with them to do something on the low, which doesn't sound like it was anything good, and then they wind up coincidentally at a place where this thing happens, and then he doesn't want to report it to police, and when the police ask to see his phone, because wouldn't any victim of a crime want to assist the police in such a horrible thing, he refuses to give them the phone so they can do the investigation.
Bob, you know, he is facing more than just a fine and public shame. He's facing jail time. So if he is found guilty, does he go to jail?
Carly, I have been so agitated about this case based on the way Kim Foxx had handled it, but I have to separate that from the facts and the law. He is a first offender. This is a low-level offense. It could carry up to 3 years in prison, but given my experience, it's very likely he probably would receive a probationary sentence if he were convicted.
Lastly, is the defense going to regret putting Smollett on the stand?
You know, these are really hard things to say, Todd. Sometimes you're driven by the actor or the defendant, but especially a person like an actor who feels like they need to get up there and tell their story. And so I think that he is not going to do himself any favors because the jury is going to look specifically in fine detail like a microscope about everything he says, gives the prosecutor. I love that. I was like a lion in a cage waiting for a defendant to take the stand, and they are scoring points.
I wouldn't want to be on the other side of your cross-examination, Bob. Hopefully I never get there. Bob Bianchi, thank you for joining us. Thanks for breaking it down.
Lying Bob, as I'm going to call him. Not like lying, but lying like roar. Bob, thank you.